When a branch misses a target, the traditional executive reaction is blame the manager or even fire him. But let me tell you something about the systems. If you put a high performer into a broken system always wins. Therefore, we have to stop looking at the people first. We have to look at the structure first. Donella Meadows, a pioneer in systems thinking, she is telling that the leverage in points for change cannot be found in pushing the people. They are found in changing the rules of the game. If your branch is failing, sometimes it may not be the reason of a lazy manager. It might be a structural flaw in the model. It might make success mathematically impossible. According to my consultancy experience in banking and finance sector, the most common structural flaw is blanket target. This is where head office assign a flat growth target for every branch without considering the catchment area or the local details. Now think about how impractical and injustice this is. You are having a rural branch in a saturated market. They are performing heroically to hit 5% growth. But you are having a metro branch in a booming district and they achieve 15% growth, but by accident. They are actually losing the market share to the competitors. The blanket target method rewards the luck but punishes the effort. It destroys the morale. Therefore, before you blame the manager, you need to do a branch MRI. That means you have to look at the revenue leakage, points where profit escapes due to friction of the structure. Now, I will mention you 3 leakages you have to look at when you do a branch MRI. Number 1, wait time leak. If your relationship manager is doing data entry work, he is not selling. That's an expensive admin work. Number 2, cross-sell gap. Selling 1 product is a transaction. Selling 3 products, that's a relationship. If your cross-sell ratio is low, it may happen due to 2 reasons. One is you're having a poor incentive scheme. Number 2, your staff have not been trained properly. Number 3, digital friction leak. If the customers are forced to come to the branch, which can be done on the app, they arrive frustrated, and the frustrated people don't buy. Therefore, rather than look at the P&L and fixing the solution for this, you need to look at the capacity, which is the future. Now, how you are going to stop these leakages? Now, you can't fix these issues by looking at the P&L, because P&L is history. You have to look at the capacity, which is the future. In our total branch transformation system, we do use Revenue Capacity Audit to measure 2 variables. Number 1, market potentiality. Number 2, team capability. Market potentiality in the sense, the total wallet share available within 5 kilometer radius around your branch. Team capacity in the sense, do your team actually have the technical skills and the hunter mindset to capture that? According to Ramla and Brach, research on gap analysis shows gap is usually caused by information or resources, not lack of motivation. In a simple way, it may be the reason your people want to win, but your structure, but your system won't allow them to win. But remember, branch MRI is not an audit for compliance. It's an audit for opportunity. This is the simple way you do that. First, you can observe the flow. Watch your lobby for 30 minutes time period. Are your staff initiating conversations or are they just processing tickets? Second, analyze the data. Look at the product per household data. That tells you the depth of your relationship. Third, test the capability. Can your staff member articulate the value proposition of a complex product within 60 seconds? If they can't, you don't have a sales problem. You're having a training problem. So here is the takeaway from this video. Stop punishing your managers for the failures of the process. Run the MRI. Find out if you have a people problem or a system problem. Because if you fix the system, even an average performer can produce extraordinary results. See you soon.